It's Monday Morning Fabrics. Yay, Monday Morning Fabrics. And this is just stunning. You know what? This is a what they use for like a lightweight jacket. It's so hard to find. It's a cotton poly blend. It is navy blue. It's beautiful. $9.20. A little jacket like that, even a jean jacket would be great because it becomes a little trench. It's adorable, that navy blue. I put it in because it'd be so cute with this little tie-dye. Is that amazing? 100% cotton. Ah, that tie-dye is incredible. Stretch in both directions. The sky is the limit. You got to make something out of that. That is adorable. Then we have a white, and because we're doing Tommy's pants, I'm going to show you what to do with the white. This is really a white cotton shirting. That's a cotton poly. Some people actually really prefer a little bit of poly in there because it doesn't wrinkle as much as the cotton does. So it's just got a little bit of poly, but it's beautiful for a white cotton shirting, a real white, and it is a woven, no stretch to it. Then we have this beautiful scuba. This is a really pretty blue-red. Isn't that beautiful? Stretch in both directions. And I just love how it picks up this color. This is a nice weight scuba. Very pretty. It's a cotton poly. Not just a poly, it's cotton poly, but it picks up these little roses in this beautiful border. This is a dual border, has the same on the exact opposite side. So pretty, 100% cotton. Lovely little fabric. You can see what I did with that tomorrow night. We're gonna have so much fun on these pants. And this is a black crepe. I put this in because, you know, when you make this pattern of the month, you can make it in a dressy fabric like this, and they really look very dressy. They're beautiful. So this is a black crepe, perfect for that. It really has just a great hand to it. It's poly cotton, great drape, and nice, just really beautiful feel. So happy sewing, happy Monday sewing from Silhouette Patterns.